So you own a construction business and you're trying to understand what's the right type of construction equipment financing available for you. Well, you're in the right place. Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe. Me and my team have helped secure over $2 billion in funding. We've done 27,000 transactions and our top industry is construction. Typically, because construction companies are constantly growing, they're looking to take on more jobs, constantly having to buy equipment. We help finance construction companies equipment. We also help give them lines of credit so you can take on more jobs and do more and continue to grow and scale your business. So as a construction owner, you really have to understand the different financing products out there. That's exactly why I created National Business Capital, my company, to help business owners understand the different type of financing options out there, bring all the right lenders into one place. We have 75 lenders on our platform, and we help match business owners like yourself to the right lender. When you're going to buy equipment, you want to use the right type of equipment lender. The reason why is there's a number of lenders out there that will fund that specific piece of equipment for your business, but they'll do it over a 3 to 5 year repayment period at very low rates. Using an equipment lender, you can keep funding those pieces of equipment and not tie up the rest of your business. So a lot of times we'll see construction owners use a line of credit to purchase equipment, but what happens is when you take out that line of credit, it locks up the rest of your business and your cash flow. So if you need money for other things, now you've used it all for that piece of equipment. What also happens is when you use a line of credit to purchase equipment, there's not a structured repayment period. So you don't have this structured payment that's coming in monthly to pay down that piece of equipment. We can pull in an equipment lender, we can finance that equipment over 3 to 5 years, monthly payments, low rates, and then you can use your business and the cash flow of your business to do a business term loan or a line of credit or other type of products. What's also good to know is sometimes, depending on your business and what's going on, if an equipment lender is not right for you or you can't get approved for equipment, then we can move to a business term loan that's still a longer repayment period, 2 years, versus using a revolving line of credit that can get very expensive. So you either want to use a term loan product or you want to use an equipment lending product. When you use an equipment lender, you can finance that equipment, keep that cash in your business, but you can also choose to depreciate that equipment immediately in year one and get the tax benefits of that, or you can depreciate it over a longer period of time. But the beauty about financing equipment is you can finance that piece of equipment over a nice long repayment period, monthly payments, and you can still pick up the benefits of depreciation. So there really is no reason to not finance equipment. If you have any questions, check out the link below, get connected with my team. They're really talented in the construction area. They can help answer any of those questions. If you have an invoice for your equipment purchase, have that ready, shoot it over to us, and literally the same day or within 24 hours, we can tell you exactly what we can do and if we can finance that piece of equipment for you. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe, and keep growing your construction business.